Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill Competition Cars, and now we're going to bring the interior, engine bay, and front bonnet to you. We're going to review that on this 1973 Beetle Convertible, 42,000 mile car that had a very nice and very high quality restoration by Roger Worthington of Hagerstown, Maryland. Again, I'm being told that he's pretty well known in the Volkswagen community and the restoration community. Now, whether you know him or not, I can tell you his work is amazing. I'm looking at this car, no stone unturned. It is just as new, inside out, underneath, everywhere you look. There's your tag, information on the car. I would like someone to help me figure out the name of this color. And I do believe it's a factory color because everything, everywhere, if you pull up carpet, door jambs, anywhere you see, it's this color. I just couldn't place the name of the color. It almost looks like a turquoise or a greenish teal. It's really unique with the beige interior. You can see that there's no dents on the back side. Doesn't look like there's any repairs that were done that I can tell. Looks like a no-hit car, which is nice. Full-size spare and tools are all here. There's no rust anywhere on this car, guys. I mean, nothing. I looked at this thing top to bottom, and we got it on the lift, and we got some video of coverage on the lift, but look at that. Everything is just like brand new. I can't wait to do the driving video, and you'll see that it drives as good as it looks. Come around to the passenger or driver side here. Oh, I do have an antenna, factory antenna, correct antenna coming for it. The mast was missing when I got it. And this little piece of rubber is frayed, so I got a brand new header piece of header panel rubber coming for that. So overlook that. Other than that, the car will be near perfect. I don't see any flaws or anything crazy going on. 42,500 miles, 4-speed. And you can see everything is just looking like $1 million. Rubbers look good. Again, there is no rust. I just love this color combination. I've just never seen one. I've seen yellow, black, white, red. There's it's upside down, but I got one of my buddies on YouTube loves me to share the VIN so he can decode everything. I absolutely love, it's got the Becker, the original AM FM Becker. That just shows the quality that the car is and was and how original it was. It's got, I'm not sure which are correct. I've got chrome bezels for the door handles. We're gonna leave the black ones on and leave the chrome ones in there. Old school looking first aid kit. There's your tire pressure sticker. Glove box, and the glove box looks good. Fuse panel down there. Everything, like I said, folks, is just as new. I actually love this car a lot. Really nice. Back seats, again, new, fresh, and tidy. Coming around to the engine bay. And look at the bright work. Everything looks so good on this car. Engine bay, original, not modified. Looks exactly like you'd expect it to look. Again, no signs of any previous damage, repairs anywhere on this car. And so we got the title, original title, not the original title, but the title shows actual miles. There's no reason to believe it's not. Again, if you guys can help me figure the name of this color, that would be great. No matter what it's called, it looks pretty freaking sick. It looks nice. Door cards on this side, excellent. Under the running board, there's no rust anywhere. I've got an undercarriage video that shows that. You can see everything is just nice and clean and tidy and as new. And I said, I think in the other video, this car was restored about 8 years ago, but very short usage on the road, not a lot of use since it was restored. But the good thing is, if there was any rust or repairs, they would show themselves by now, and there's not. So it's a very rust-free car. So check it out. You'll see this video on YouTube first. This will be live on Bring a Trailer soon. We're gonna bring it to sell. So there'll be, when the car goes live, I'll share the link so you guys know where to go to bid on it. But what an amazing car. Absolutely love the color combination. If you guys have any questions, comments, send them my way. I'll get on them quick and answer back and respond very quickly. Thanks for looking, folks. Have a great day.